Guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm gonna talk about the Kajal pencil I regret buying. I have almost 10 of 12 of Kajal pencils which I have bought them and I regret buying them, and few of them I've read the reviews and I got them, but it didn't work for me, and others I bought them without reading the review. So these are the few which I wanted to show you guys which didn't work for me. I have pretty oily waterline, and whatever, like most of the Kajal pencil don't work for me, and so I just wanted to show you guys what I have and what didn't work for me. And so yeah, so let me start with the brand. The first one is from the brand K Beauty. This is their Kajal pencil. It comes with a cap like this, and I got this at I think 1 or 2 months back after reading the reviews on Nykaa, and now I regret buying it because first of all, it's not smudge proof, it's not waterproof, and it does smudges a lot and transfers a lot after the application, and I am not happy with this pencil. Even I got one more, I don't know where I've kept the other one from K Beauty only, and that is I think a retractable one that is for 250 rupees or something I guess, and this is for I think 500 something. I will leave all the Kajal pencil I'm talking about and their price as well if you are planning to buy them, and if you have oily waterline, then you can skip trying them or buying them. So this is I think around 500 bucks, and I regret buying this. This is the first one. It does transfer a lot, and I don't like this one at all. Okay, the next one is from the brand Plum. This is their Plum Angel Eye Kohl Kajal, and I was really impressed because it comes with a smudger to use it as a smoky eye. So I didn't like this one also, and it does smudge a lot, and it does transfers a lot, and it does irritate my waterline. So this is also a big no-no for me. And the next one is from the brand Nykaa. This is their I Am Bold Kajal, and it comes in a chubby stick like this, and I think this is around 450 or something, and this might work for people who don't have sensitive eye. I have pretty sensitive eye, and when I apply this it really burns, and I didn't like this. It didn't stay for long, and it also transfers a lot. So even this one I didn't like it, so this is also a big no for me. And the third one is from the brand Iba Halal. This is their All Day Kohl Kajal, and this one comes in a retractable form like this. You have to scroll it here, and then you have to apply. You can see yourself while using it. While like applying under my waterline, it keeps breaking, and yeah, I have to literally force myself to apply it properly, and it didn't stay for long, and it does irritate my eye. And they say this is waterproof, smudge proof, dermatologically tested, which is really good. That's why I got this, but I'm really sorry guys, it didn't work for me. This is Iba Halal, and even the price I don't remember, so I'll leave all that in the description. So the next one is from the brand Chambord. This is Chambord. I love Chambord products, and this was really one of the disappointing Kajal I got. And this is their Chambord Stay On Waterproof Kohl Pencil, and even this comes in a retractable form like this, and I have hardly used this few times because it's a pain to scroll it. It takes a lot of time to come, and it's not 100% waterproof and smudge proof, and I literally struggle a lot to apply this on my waterline. So this is also a big no-no for me. Now you can see it has come out a bit, but it's not going in, so it's a waste of the product, and I don't like it. Now I'm gonna close this, and this is gonna break, which is really bad. So this is also a big no. The next one is from the brand Purple. This is their Purple Winking Together Kajal, and even this comes in a retractable form like this. This is not a black color. I don't remember where I get the black color, so I found this blue color. I got a couple of them together. Some discounts were going on, so I got this all. So you can see how it comes, and it takes so much of time to go in. and even this is not 100% waterproof, and this also smudges a lot, and I'm not happy with this kajal pencil as well. So the next one is from the brand Himalaya, and this is their Pure Expression Kajal. Even this comes in a retractable form like this, and you can see yourself, it just keeps breaking. Whenever I'm applying under my waterline, it keeps breaking, and I really can't tell you guys how bad this product is. It keeps breaking while applying on the waterline. So I am really disappointed with Himalaya Kajal, and if you are looking forward to buy this, please don't buy. The next one is from the brand Sugar, and I'm really sorry guys, I don't know where I've lost the cap, and this is their Kohl of Honor Intense Kajal Blackout. This is actually good. I'm not saying it's bad, but the problem with it, even this is retractable, which is like it's gone inside. Okay, the next one is from the brand Sugar, and I'm really sorry I lost the cap, and this is their Sugar Kohl of Honor Intense Kajal Blackout. And the problem with this kajal was that it was not 100% waterproof and transfer proof, but it is pretty jet black in color, and if you're okay with that, then you can try this. But for me, I'm not gonna buy this kajal. This is their Kohl of Honor Intense Kajal. And the next one also is from the brand Sugar, and even this one I don't know where I've lost the cap, and this one is Twist and Shout Fade Proof Kajal Black Velvet, and this is actually not bad, but it's better than the one which I've showed you now. This is better, but if you ask me why I'm regretting, is that I have to literally struggle to apply it under my waterline. It's not like one or two swipe. You have to keep applying under your eyes, and it does come your fades very soon. Like in couple of hours, when I see my kajal, it's not there on my eyes. In the sense, it's there, but it's like lighter than before. So I have to keep applying it, which is really bad thing. Like at least for 4 to 5 hours I expect this kajal to work, but hardly 2 or 3 hours I see that my kajal is fading, so again I have to reapply, which is really pain. So because of that, this is also a big no for me. I also have a blue color in this, which I love the color, but if you ask me honestly, if you're looking for something who's gonna stay for long, then don't buy this. If you're looking only for color and the quality, then this is really good. So the last but not the least, which I have right now, which I don't like it, is from the brand Plum. This is their Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal. I know this might be a really shock for you guys, whoever have tried it and whoever have not tried it. Maybe they might be in shock, like how come she didn't like this kajal. It's not that I didn't like this kajal. It's good in terms of the color, that it's a proper jet black, but if you ask me about the staying power, it didn't stay for long on my waterline, and it also irritated my waterline. I have pretty sensitive eyes, so it didn't work good for me. At least maybe for others it might have worked good, but for me it didn't work good. And I know many YouTubers and bloggers love this kajal pencil, and it really worked good for them, but for me it's a really a no-no, because it irritated my eyes, and also I find that it gets dried. This gel pencil, it comes in a gel form, right? So this gel thing gets dried up pretty soon, and it's difficult to apply it on the waterline. So for me this is a big no-no. And yeah, so these were my few kajal pencil which I regret buying. And if you are planning to buy any one of these, and if you have an oily waterline, then I think you should not give them a try. And yeah, so these were my few kajal pencil which I don't like it, and I'm not gonna buy it again in my life. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and if you like the video, don't forget to give a like and share with your friend and family. I'll see you guys soon. Till then, take care. Bye.